How to create a base DNC system using ShopFloorManager. In this video we will create a ShopFloorManager based DNC system. The system will provide the basic ability to up and download NC files and provide the recording of NC file histories. During the installation process we will be selecting the third database creation option, which creates a database with a basic structure, which includes user groups with access rights, users, resource collections, machine tools, and virtual file cabinets, allowing a user access to many of ShopFloorManager's rich features. ShopFloorManager is a database-driven system supporting Access and SQL. To expand on the basics of this system you can select from a range of other videos that explore advanced features such as monitoring, reports, charts, ISO compliance, advanced quality control, and many other ShopFloor features. Select the ShopFloorManager installation directory starting with the ShopFloorManager application. Click on the module setup.exe and use the default settings. If you are asked about keeping an existing newer version of a file that ShopFloorManager is trying to replace, always answer yes. After the successful installation of ShopFloorManager, we will install the manual data input application. Select the MDI directory and click on the module setup.exe, follow the instructions choosing any options that meet your company's requirements. We will now install the last application. Select the chart standalone directory and click on the module setup.exe. Follow the instructions choosing any options that meet your company's requirements. We will now start ShopFloorManager runtime for the first time. Assuming we are using the Access database, first select the directory where the ShopFloorManager database will be installed. Do not select a root directory. When you have selected the directory, click the OK button. Click the OK button on the next window. You will now be asked to select an appropriate local name for this database. After clicking the OK button, ShopFloorManager will start creating the database structure. When the login window is displayed, enter the login name administrator if not already entered. Click the OK button. Select the acquired DNC session and click the OK button. After a brief time a notice of the license activation is displayed. Click the OK button. A window is displayed with 4 options. Choose the third option, which will create a database with a few files and a set of pre-selected parameters that will create a basic DNC system. Let's take a look at the basic setup parameters and structure that make ShopFloorManager work. Click on the Machines menu and the basic structure will be displayed. Click on the RS-232 machine and then on the plus signs to expand the structures. This view of the structure shows resource collections, which contains references to NC files, user groups which determine ShopFloorManager access privileges, and users that have access to the rights of this user group. Highlight the RS-232 machine and click on the Properties icon. Complete the settings that provide for the communications between ShopFloorManager and the machine tool, by marrying this application to this workstation and a serial port. Let's examine the communication window with its parameters used to match your CNC settings. Next, examine the protocol window used to match the CNC protocols, which include the send and receive protocols, and the remote request parameters that allow the CNC operator to request files directly from their CNCs for both up and downloads. There are settings that allow you to monitor your machine tool in production. Remote requests also provide detailed feedback to CNC operators when they need confirmation of a saved file, information when a file can't be sent to the CNC, or for any request that can't be fulfilled by ShopFloorManager. Once these settings are saved, the communications engine will start. The communications engine handles all communications between ShopFloorManager and the CNC operator, including remote requests, monitoring data, probe measurements, CNC emails, response files, help files, CNC operator reminders, and much more. Log out of the administrator account and log in as the user Operator 1. This user has limited access. First, let's look at the Manage Machines window. This window allows you to view the activity for the various active machines displayed. The operator can abort, restart, search and restart any of the jobs that are active on the queue. Now click on the Manage DNC Files icon and queue the QA file for sending to the machine tool. The queue window is displayed with multiple options. We will select the Send Once option. Other options include drip feeding, continual queuing, adding monitoring events to the file before queuing, sending monitoring data to non-macro based controllers, and additional options to meet any queuing requirements. Using remote requests, a CNC operator can download and upload files right from their CNC without needing to go to a computer. Once we click the OK button and look at the Manage Machine window, we can see the communications activity for this machine and if need be manipulate the queue as necessary. You can click on any of the active CNC machines to view their communication activities. Let's log out of the Operator 1 account and log into the administrator's account. ShopFloorManager has been configured to collect simple file histories for any NC file up and downloads. There are also advanced history collection features that provide more detailed histories for meeting ISO compliance. We will look at one of the histories reports for this file regarding the downloading to the machine tool. We will configure ShopFloorManager's advanced report filter to generate a report to your requirements. These are not boilerplate templates, but templates that you create and can save for reuse. Why not download ShopFloorManager now? Go to https://www.shopfloormanager.com and click on the download icon. If you need assistance, you can visit our website's contact page, and/or call 1-781-933-9500. Thank you for taking your time to view this video.